Welcome to Mallorca, the largest of Spain's Balearic Islands. Standing tall over the Bay of Palma is one of Europe's most magnificent architectural achievements, Santa Maria of Palma. This Levant Gothic masterpiece isn't just a church, it's a timeline of Mediterranean history carved in sandstone. Let's explore its secrets from a bird's-eye view. Construction began in 1229, after King James I of Aragon conquered the island. Legend says he promised to build a great temple to the Virgin Mary after surviving a treacherous storm at sea. It took nearly 4 centuries to complete, and as we fly over these massive flying buttresses, you can see the sheer engineering required to support a central nave that reaches 44 meters in height. Look closely at the eastern facade. Here lies the Oculus Maior, or the Great Rose Window. Measuring about 12 meters in diameter, it's one of the largest of its kind in the world. Twice a year, on February 2nd and November 11th, the morning sun hits the glass perfectly, projecting a spectrum of light directly onto the opposite wall, creating a giant figure 8 of color. A true marvel of medieval geometry. While the exterior is strictly Gothic, the interior holds a 20th century surprise. In 1901, the famous Catalan architect Antoni Gaudí was invited to renovate the space. He moved the choir stalls and added the iconic crown of thorns canopy over the altar. This blend of medieval tradition and modernist vision is what makes La Seu unique among the world's great cathedrals. From its seaside foundations to its soaring vaults, the Cathedral of Palma remains a symbol of cultural resilience and artistic evolution. If you enjoyed this deep dive into Spain's history, please give this video a thumbs up. To continue exploring the world's most fascinating destinations through our lens, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Until next time, keep exploring.